Hi, and this is another crap review of Crapsters stuff that off eBay. So I've got an iPod. So this is a kind of knockoff that's been refurbished, and from here it looks like it's been in quite a smash up, as most of the paint has gone. Although in the photo it said completely new. Anyway, see here, the packaging is from a newer version of an iPod. So here's the back, scratched, and here's the front. Oopsie, oh. Yeah, well, that just shows how crap it is. It's opened already. Let's see if it works. There should be no charge on it. There's nothing else in the box, so it's obviously not new. It's obviously gone through some kind of, I don't know. Oh, here we go. It's on. Let's see if it disconnects. Okay to disconnect. Okay. Well, let's listen to some music. Hang on, the center button doesn't work. Look. What the hell? Oopsie. Oh god, the back came off. That is the most crap thing I've ever seen. If you saw this piece of shit, I think you'd agree. Turning it off so I don't get bloody electrocuted. I'm gonna put that off. I'm gonna put it back in the post box now. Yeah. Well, that's really disappointing. Yeah.